Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to welcome you to Portland. Our arrival time is 12:15. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have reached the gate and the captain has turned the seatbelt sign off. At that time, please remember to retrieve all personal items brought on board today, including items you may have placed in the seat pocket in front of you. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. For those of you who left carry-out items on the a la carte, please proceed to the red and white stop sign and wait for your items to be brought out to you. For your safety, do not attempt to retrieve your items from the back of the aircraft. Smoking is not permitted on the ramp. Please refrain from smoking until you have reached a designated smoking area.